Feeling stuck in the 9-to-5 grind? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world feel trapped in their daily routines, yearning for a way out. The constant pressure, the lack of time for personal pursuits, and the feeling of being undervalued can be overwhelming. What if I told you there's a way to earn an extra $500 to $5,000 a month online? Imagine the freedom and flexibility that extra income could bring. You could pay off debts, save for a dream vacation, or even start planning for early retirement. Introducing Royale Branding Academy, a proven system to help you start and scale a business, even if you're strapped for time. No experience, no problem. Our comprehensive courses are designed to guide you every step of the way, from the basics to advanced strategies. Here's how it works. You gain access to business startup modules that are easy to follow and packed with valuable insights. These modules cover everything you need to know to get your business off the ground. Learn step-by-step how to create digital or physical products that people actually want to buy. From product design to marketing, we've got you covered. And get a ready-to-sell academy for 100% profit. It's like a business in a box. You don't have to worry about the complexities of starting a business from scratch. Whether you're into digital products, affiliate marketing, or reselling, RBA has you covered. Our platform is versatile and caters to a wide range of interests and skills. You'll also learn how to leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to attract customers. No paid ads required. Our social media strategies are designed to help you build a loyal following and drive sales organically. Start building your escape plan today. Take control of your financial future and create a life you love. With Royale Branding Academy, the possibilities are endless. Click the link in the description to learn how RBA can help you replace your 9-to-5 with financial freedom. Don't wait. Your journey to financial independence starts now.